Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Epidemic soundtracks for YouTube projects. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Epidemic Sound website. Log in to your Epidemic Sound account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, navigate to the library section. Use the search bar or browse categories to find the music track you want. Click on the track to access its details. Listen to the track to ensure it fits your project. Once you're satisfied, click on the download button. Select the appropriate format for your needs. The track will begin downloading to your device. Open your video editing software. Import the downloaded track into your project. Place the track on the timeline where you want the music to start. Adjust the audio levels to balance with other audio elements. You can also trim the track to fit your video length. Ensure that you have the correct license for your YouTube project. Before exporting, double-check the audio settings in your editing software. Once everything is set, export your video with the Epidemic soundtrack included. Your YouTube project is now ready with the perfect soundtrack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.